Here at the Hub, we're all about sustainability. We're trying to promote sustainable travel. We're trying to promote cycling. One of the barriers to cycling is getting a puncture. And we run here at the Hub regular puncture repair workshops to enable people to learn how to fix a puncture. They can either bring their own wheel in, or if they're just passing and they want to learn, we have wheels here that they can practice on. We have a range of different inner tubes to help them, a range of different tools that will hopefully match the tools that they have at home. And so by the end of it, they can walk away from here knowing how to fix their puncture, get back on the road and be sustainable. When do we run these workshops? Well, at the moment, it's usually on a Friday between 3 and 6, occasionally on a Sunday 12 till 3. The best way to find out when the next workshop is check out either the Facebook page for Greener and Cleaner Bromley and Beyond, or the Hub, or go to Eventbrite.